All right, we have everything cut out. And this is what the project will look like that. So what this is a pop-up that once everything is lined up together, even though if you ship it out like this, it's still kind of cute. But when you pop it up, just like that, you'll see. Now you can use whatever pattern paper. I wanted to keep this nice and simple so it wouldn't detract from what's going on here. Look how cute that is. All right, so let's get things started. So first things first, I am going to put, you know what? I was going to put this here, but I want to make sure that I don't lose any of my tiny little pieces. I can already tell that I'm going to lose them because they're so tiny. And I can already see that I'm missing the triangle for his little nose. Is it in here? No. See? Well, I'm gonna have to draw on the little triangle on there. That's really embarrassing because I'm like, oh, I have everything, but I don't want to lose anything, and I still lost something. I mean, working with tiny little pieces like this, of course, you're gonna probably lose something here and there. So it's just part of crafting. The tinier it is, the likeliness that you will lose it. But glitter, somehow it just pops up everywhere. I don't know how that happens. You'll find it in the most unusual spots. Do I have anything else that I can put on there? Yes. Yes, I do. I can actually just make a little triangle for that. It's not exactly ideal of what I wanted to do, but it is a tiny little triangle. It's not something at the end of the world. You can always recut that, but just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to just keep on moving on, and when I find it, I will add it on there. And of course, we have the little hands. Now, I did put pop dots, and that's what I'm going to do on this one. So just to make the little hands stand out just a little bit. I'm going to put one right there. And one right there. Okay. Oh, look how cute. And you can make this bunny any color. Make him a chocolate bunny. Oh, that sounds delicious. Make him a purple bunny, a pink bunny, a yellow one. Okay. There. Oh, whew, the hard stuff is already over. Okay, just to make sure I don't lose this guy, I'm going to attach him to here first. Because you already saw what happened to the triangle. Watch, I'm going to find him later. Stuck to my pants somehow. Like glitter. Next thing I know, I'm going to have my little kid saying, oh, there he is! I found he was stuck to my pants. He was stuck to my pants. Like glitter. All right. I actually looked down and there he was right on my pants. That's embarrassing. But again, it happens. I'm living proof that stuff just keeps on sticking to me. And that's fine. That's fine, right? There you go. Okay, all the hard stuff is done right here. All right, next thing, we're just going to add, I'm going to move this right here. I'm going to add these panels. Now, I just had some really nice papers, and to be honest, I'm not going to use glue. I'm trying to remove as much moisture as possible. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the pattern papers. There's so many nice pattern papers this Easter that I was just like, I got a little overwhelmed and I went, you know what? I'm just going to keep this simple. Keep it, or the kiss effect, keep it simple. Or keep it simply simple. Something to that effect. You know what I'm trying to say. The kiss effect, yeah. Keep it simple. Or is it keep it simply simple? There you go. because you know there's two S's in kiss. Thought I forgot there, huh? So keep it simply simple. Don't want to overthink on this card. It's super easy to do, but it has a lot of components. So you would probably say that this particular card is a little labor of love, not time consuming, but there are a lot of little pieces. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna fold this inward like this, like that. Just on these guys right here, and I am using glue right here. I really don't want this to fall apart. And I'm just gonna fold right here. Okay. Just lining these up. I don't want this going anywhere. And just like a Unique Designs fashion, I'm going to do a little countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh, done. There we go. Oh, looks like a cute little cake. I love it. Okay, that's the tail right there. Now, we're not done yet. We still have to do a little stamping. Now you can write your sentiment, you can stamp your sentiment, or you can have it printed out. It's up to you. So for me, I'm going to stamp my sentiment right here. This stamp comes from the Honeycomb Happiness from Stampin' Up. It says, oh, hello. I see you're having a get-together. Hopefully I didn't interrupt. Can I come? Oh, I have this backwards. Here we go. Oh, hello. Just dropping you and saying, oh, hello. Okay. And ta-da! Yay! I love it when it comes together nicely. All right. I have to get myself a little alcohol wipe there. Since Stampin' Up! Inks do stay, I don't want them damaging my stamp. Because this is a cute stamp. The whole thing is a cute stamp. I'm going to put this right back so I don't lose it. Yeah, if you weren't looking for it. This is an old retired one, I believe. It's called Honeycomb Happiness. It's really nice. I love it. I use it every year. This one has said friend, but this one it says, oh, hello. All right. Do I want to pop up on this? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I don't know what I was thinking. Of course, you want to pop up on this. You always want to have a pop-up. Dimensionals are key. All right. And I'm just going to line this up with this right here. And this little guy, he gets glued down underneath his little hands. Like so. Like a so. He's a little crooked, but that's okay. We'll forgive him for this time. All right. Now, here is how you put these two. By the end of everything, you have only two. And here is our first tab. Here's our second. Okay, like that. And I would recommend glue. Don't do double-sided tape because this is a hinge and you really don't want this falling apart on you whatsoever. Okay. First things first. I'm going to put our little bunny here. Slide him in. Now all we're going to do, now this is going to be a tricky. We're going to hold one side and then close it like that. See? Now I'm holding one side here, and just leaving it here to dry for a few seconds. But look how cute that is. It's all, I know it's three-dimensional, even though it's two-dimensional, but it looks like the little tail is just sticking out, like if it's going sideways, just a little bit. And then he's front ways. Oh, Looks like it didn't glue the way it's supposed to. Let me bend it the opposite direction. Either way. Oh, the glue, I put too much, and unfortunately it's sticking to the side here. But look at that. Oh my word. That is so cute. Okay, I'm not even done yet. I still have one more to do. And like I said, you can have whatever pattern paper you want to have on here. Okay. Last but not least. And all I'm going to do is just hold one side. And then and it's doing it all on its own. You know, where it's going to stick. Oh, I just want to make sure that this is actually straight. I can see it's trying to do its own thing here. Okay. There we go. There we go. We got it nice and centered like that. Just make sure this is closing the right way, the opposite direction. The Cricut, the slanted sign is throwing me off. There we go. Ta-da! I'm done. It took me a bit, but there we go. We have our nice little 3-dimensional, 2-dimensional pop-up card, which is perfect to be mailed out, you know, this holiday season. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I am more than happy to help. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.